Several humanitarian tragedies and incidents had occurred in Indonesia during the several few years. It started with the riots in May 1998 in Jakarta, ethnic and religious-based conflicts in eastern Indonesia, and the devastating natural disaster in Nangro Aceh Darussalam and many other places in Indonesia. Those events came one after the other, leaving numerous casualties in its wake. In the meantime, some of the survivors have to bear the loss of their belongings, family members, and loved ones. Faculty of Psychology Universitas Indonesia felt compelled to contribute in alleviating the suffering of the nation by establishing Crisis Center. In line with the increasing number of humanitarian tragedies occurring in Indonesia, a proactive and far-reaching helping effort is highly needed. Therefore, Crisis Center has tried to develop several psychosocial support programs in post-disaster and social conflict areas. Crisis Center has three missions: providing assistance to communities in overcoming psychosocial impacts of disasters, developing the knowledge and skills of psychology graduates and volunteers in giving psychological support, undertaking studies of indigenous psychology on local capacities to overcome the psychosocial impacts of disasters. By consistently applying these missions, Crisis Center tries to achieve its vision to be a center of excellence for psychosocial study and service in the effort of preventing and rehabilitating various psychosocial impacts of disasters. In carrying out its missions, Crisis Center has several activities. Those activities are research and publication. Crisis Center continuously tries to undertake research on psychological experiences and dynamics of people affected by disasters, both in the individual and community level. Crisis Center has developed and published books, modules, booklets, and leaflets related with psychosocial intervention and disaster psychology based on research as well as field experience. Trainings. Crisis Center provides various trainings on psychosocial intervention and disaster psychology. Popular topics include psychosocial support for children, adolescents, and teachers, psychological first aid, and stress management for humanitarian workers. Through the trainings we conduct, we strive to develop people understanding on the impact of disasters on a person's psychosocial well-being, the basic principles in giving psychological support to survivors of disasters. Moreover, through our trainings, we also strive to develop people skills in giving psychosocial support to survivors of disasters and self-care skills during working as humanitarian workers. Consultation and technical assistance. Crisis Center provides consultation and technical assistance to community, organizations, volunteers, and other groups who deliver psychosocial support in response to various disasters. Among many institutions in partnership with, Crisis Center has had partnership with the Asia Foundation, Indonesian Red Cross, Econet Indo-Germ Direct, UNICEF Indonesia, and government institutions.
Kesan terhadap kerjasama yang telah kita jalin dengan Pusat Krisis Fakultas Psikologi, ada beberapa hal yang saya lihat atau rasakan. Pertama, profesionalitas. Mereka sangat profesional dalam menangani pelatihan yang kita lakukan, baik dari penguasaan materi. Mereka sangat profesional, dan juga penyampaian. Karena dari feedback yang kita dapat dari peserta, mereka sangat puas dengan pelatih-pelatih yang ada dari Pusat Krisis.
We were very impressed by the professional work of Puskas and all the team. It was not easy, especially at the beginning, but we made it all the way, and it looked very nice to have this cooperation with Puskas.
Equinate, we were very happy to work together with Puskas. The relationship evolved to be very easy to communicate with, fast. We always got prompt replies. Reporting was very efficient, and we were just very happy to work together with Puskas.
Crisis Center will continue its work to build communities' resilience in order to improve psychosocial well-being of people in Indonesia.